This is a 2016 Hurricane SunDeck Sport 231 outboard center console. It's the best of both worlds. It's a fiberglass deck boat with a center console. She's rated for 12 people, 2,000 pounds of people, or 2,750 pounds total. She is powered by a 250 horsepower Yamaha VMAX and has 35 hours. She has been stored inside in a dry stack since new and does come with aluminum I-beam trailer that is stored off-site. She has a helm that opens up to the front with a head in it. The head and the actual pedestal and fishing seat for the boat are still wrapped in the original plastic. She's got twin helm seams that change into bolsters. She has a Garmin GPS chart plotter fish finder, twin live wells, tackle storage, rod storage, and a ski pole, and plenty of seating. Again, the best of both worlds. Berry-Boger Yacht Sales, 843-249-6167, and I'm John Gore. This one will not last long.